In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Play Store on your phone. First, you're going to need to go to settings here, and then you want to type in apps. And here you want to type in Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store and you're going to go to storage and clear cache, and then clear data. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data, so just delete and you should be good here. So now once you start relaunching Google Play Store, it will prompt you through like a re-login and everything. So let's just go to Google Play Store. Let's just remove everything and then go to Google Play Store. And now here you're gonna go to your account here on the settings tab, and here you wanna scroll all the way down and go to settings and go to about, and over here you're gonna see update Play Store. So if you click this, if your Play Store is already updated, it will show this tab here, so you should be good. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.